Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheila Murugu, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a few things that I bought at the market kwa soko, and which I'm very excited about, and share a little recipe with you. I'm going to try and make some burgers and show you and unbox the kettle that I bought at Carrefour during the November sale, and it was 20% off. Actually, I think it was 19 or 20% off. Yes, and I'm gonna link that video below. Please watch that. There were amazing, great deals that were not limited to Black November or Black Friday. You can always find those interesting deals at Carrefour. So let's get started. Okay, so I bought these Mtumba vyombos, and I think they are really good quality comparing to some of the stuff that I have bought brand new from the shops. I think these might last. They feel stronger and might last a longer while. I got these. I have an exact same tongue as this one, but it's much longer, and I just find it sometimes very hard to use. So when I saw these and it looks exactly like my other one here, I was very excited about it because this sometimes is just so hard to use it. It's very long, especially if you're serving from a small bowl. So guess what? I got each one of these at 150 shillings, if I'm not wrong. 150 each or 100. I remember actually bargaining on the total price. So it could be 100 or 150 shillings, which I was very excited about. This potato masher is very strong. I love it. I like how long it is because you know you can just put it in a hot pot and mash and ready to go. I really like this, and it looks very strong. I've bought a new one before, and it just broke. So I think this is a really good buy. Who buys so many knives? Got myself these knives. I like the fact that, especially these two, it's not separated from the handle. So you know, it just means there's no dealing with breakage of handles, and they actually do look really good. I really like them, and they're sharp, and I think these might actually last me forever. Maybe this one has a handle, but I just also got it because I needed this kind of a knife. Oh, and these ones were completely new when I got them. I have washed them now, but these were new. A lemon squeezer, which actually works. It's heavy, it's really nice. I tried it at the market. They just gave me half a lemon, actually a full lemon to squeeze and just confirm that the juice is coming out. So I'm also very excited about this. This was 450 shillings. The knives were also for 50 shillings each, but I remember I told you I already got a discount on the the whole package. I am also very excited about this garlic crusher. So I just want to do a little bit on this. So do you see these little teeth? Like they are poking outside, and these actually help push the garlic through. And I tried it and it works, and I'll just show you right now how that works. So comparing to these I had bought a while back at Carrefour, if you look at the part for pressing, it's flat, so there's nothing to, like, you know, press through the garlic, so you end up wasting a lot of garlic and you don't get so much on this side. I can tell you for sure this was just useless, and it's just so hard to press it, and I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm going to show you pressing garlic with this and this, and then we're gonna cook. Okay, so I got this not too long ago from Carrefour, and I'll just show you how it performs. This is a very fresh garlic. Let's see this. That's how much garlic I'm getting. See that? That is how much garlic I'm getting, which is very little. And that's how much garlic has been left inside. Yeah. Okay, let us try my Soko gadgets. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to try this other clove. Here we go. Doyo. See how much garlic I got. Look at that. See that? I'm very, very excited about these guys. And look, it's just the skin that's left. And if I put this that was left here, I promise you it will be possible to actually push it through. So this, I just feel, wastes a lot of garlic. And to be honest, since I bought it and tried it and saw how it behaved, I'd rather just, I've just been grating my garlic, which can be tedious at times. And yes, I know nowadays, kitchen hacks, we do prepare garlic beforehand and store it. So I'm going to be trying that very soon. See, I told you guys there won't be any much residue. Look, it pushed it all through. So when you find some of these things at the market, kwa soko, when you're doing your grocery shopping, you can just check them out, and the prices are usually quite friendly. Alright, so we are going to use this for our recipe today. We might use this for our recipe today, so it's not going to go to waste. Okay. I think I made too many potatoes, and I just want to see how well these will keep in the fridge. They are parboiled. I've put some salt and pepper. I'm not sure if salt was a good idea, but I'm imagining because they are parboiled, the salt is not going to drain out the water. So I'll try and see how well they keep in the fridge. Maybe I'll cook them tomorrow or the day after, and I'll let you know in my next video if it's a good kitchen hack. And let's see what's going on here. Wow, they look like they're done. It's just a little bit. Yeah, looks good. Maybe I'll have them brown just for 1 minute and we'll see the final product. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Hey, why is it so tightly packed? Okay, I'm very excited about this purchase. So this is the manual. Do people still read manuals? We all have very bad manners. We don't read manuals. Which is, so that's how it looks. Nothing complicated. Oh, hope I didn't pour my stuff. Okay. So I'm doing this as I wait for my fries to cook. Oh my gosh, it looks elegant. It looks so good. I'm unboxing it now even though I have another kettle, because if it doesn't work, I need to return it within 7 days. So it's hard plastic. It looks very good. I like the fact that I don't have to like pull this to open or pull like this. You just press there and it pops open, which is good. This doesn't look like it will come out. Most kettles it comes out. I don't know about this, we'll see, but it does look good. And here is the base, normal length of cord, and I like that it's a 3-phase. Is it called a 3-phase or something? I don't know, but I like that. So I need to test this so that if it's it has a problem, I can return it back, because I currently already have another kettle that I've been using, which is it in its probably last days. So sorry for the noise, guys. There is my kettle, and let's see how our chips are doing. Oh, just how I like them. Amazing. Can you see, guys, that you can eat wedges without so much oil? Yeah, you can enjoy a meal without guilt. So I'm going to serve it up. Oh, this sauce looks so yummy, you guys. And I'm using a little bit much of it because I don't have cheese in the house, but this works well. This works very well. Don't let cheese be an excuse for you not having a burger in your house. I don't have lettuce either, so I'm using cabbage instead. And there's nothing wrong with using cabbage. It's a very nice veggie that you can use. Wow, that looks good. Looks very good. Oh, it's dripping. This is just pure yumminess here. Okay, so I'm just starting to place my stuff. Like starting with this. That may be a bit much. Okay, it looks good. Nakaa mzuri. Place my patty. Maybe 2. Can we handle 2? Yeah, because some of them were a bit small. They broke kidogo. Yeah, let me add one more here. Yeah, this will be a very, very huge burger. And then slice of tomato, huge slice of tomato, looking all good. Some onion. I'm salivating, you guys. My God. Ooh. Ooh. I can't wait. This looks so good. Okay. Then top up with a little bit of mustard and ketchup. Kidogo tu. Looks like I'm running out of mustard. This is the ketchup I was telling you about, guys, and it's amazing, amazing, amazing. Ooh, natoka mingi. Hey, that patty, you guys. Ooh. Okay. Now we close it up. Uh-oh. Alright, let me show you now how this looks as I plate it. Wow, look at that. No cheese, but it's still going to be amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Please. Okay. So I'll now serve the chips. Which are very much ready and very yummy. Hey, you guys, eh? This food was worth the wait. After a long day.